Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your cousin Nappy Danny and I am back with a new video. If you are new, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can be a part of this NappyHead family. But in today's video, I wanted to do an updated wash day routine because I've become a lazy natural and I just wanted to update you guys on the process. I start off by rinsing my hair and slightly finger detangling, nothing special. As you can see, because people keep asking me how I've been growing out my hair, and literally it's been doing nothing and it's been working for me anyways. But after I wash my hair, I actually use shampoo. Well, actually no, I use soap, Dr. Bronner's to be exact, because this is the same soap I use for my body and my face. So I use it for my scalp as well. It seems to work. Have no complaints whatsoever, but I massage that into my scalp mainly and just let the rest just rinse down once I rinse it out to cleanse the rest of my hair. After I have completely rinsed out the soap, I jump right into my conditioning, and I use the Aussie 3-minute deep conditioner condition. I think this one is specifically for curly hair, I don't know. But I put that all in my hair, lather it up. I actually use it as a regular conditioner as opposed to a deep condition because it's so much better than the Aussie original conditioner. And I stand by Aussie, okay? But this is it just melts the naps in my hair, you know. Makes it really easy to detangle and finger detangle, wide tooth comb detangle, whatever your choice is. It makes it easy. But today I'm actually going to finger detangle. It's not my choice that I always use, but this is what I just decided to do today. So I'm going to finger detangle with the deep conditioner in before rinsing that out. You guys have been asking for a link check video, so here is my little amateur link check thing going on so you guys can know how long my hair is and it was popping with it, you know. I'm trying to get it down all the way to my waist, like my hips to be exact. Not waist, but hips. There we go. Yeah, so hopefully I can get there one day. We'll see. After rinsing everything out, I'm just going to use my oil mixture. If you want to see a video on this, just let me know and I'll show you guys. But I just use this to seal my hair in to keep it moisturized throughout the week, because I make my hairstyles last week and I really only do wash and goes. Like, I haven't done a braid out in a minute or a twist out or none of that. Like, wash and goes have just been doing it for me as far as the lazy natural thing. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of this video, guys. I'm trying to do like a little sequel thing going on, so I'll show you guys how I style my hair next. So if you want to see that, make sure you click that little bell button so you are notified when I post. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey pretty baby with the high heels on, you give me fever like I never ever known. You're just the product of loveliness. I like the groove of your walk, your talk, your dress. I feel your fever from miles